Right. So in the box, we've got the letter A. What's the name of the letter?
A.
A is the name of the letter, right? And how many sounds does the letter A make?
3 sounds.
Right. So what does the box tell us? It tells us that the letter
A
makes
3 sounds.
good. So in a full sentence, remember when you are asked questions, you have to start learning to answer in full sentences, right? So if you get asked a question, just do your best to always answer in a full sentence, right? Okay. So what does the box tell us? The box tells us that
A.
make a full sentence. Speak up and answer in a full sentence.
A.
That's not a full sentence. I'm asking you a question. What does the box here tell us? So how do you need to start if you're answering me in a full sentence?
The box
There we go.
makes.
Speak up.
The box
Tells us that
tells us that
the letter
A
makes
3 sounds.
good girl. Do you know the sounds that the letter A makes?
Yes.
Can you point at the sound and say what the sound is?
Then
Oh, here's your pointer. Point carefully.
A.
Good girl.
A.
Yes.
R.
Well done. Okay. And what does the box for the letter B tell us?
The box for the letter B tells us that it makes 1 sound.
Very good. Can you identify the sound that the letter B can make? Do you know what it is? Okay, point at it and say it.
It makes B.
But you're pointing at R and saying B.
B.
Mm-hmm.
It makes B for boss.
Good. Where else do you see B? Mm-hmm.
And it also makes B for big.
Good girl. Can you help me read this sound pattern, please?
A.
Uh-huh.
B.
Mm-hmm.
A. B. A. B.
Well done. And the middle?
A. B. A. B. A. B.
Good girl. And the last one?
R. B. R. B. R. B.
Very nice. Let's look at the box for letter C. So we know that the name of the letter is?
C.
Good. And how many sounds does the box tell us that the letter C can make?
Letter C's make 2 sounds.
Very nice. Okay. Let's see if you can help me figure out what those sounds are. So do you recognize this word? The word. Do you recognize the word? Do you know what word it is?
Cat.
Good girl. Help me make the sounds in the word cat. You can point at the sounds yourself.
K.
Uh-huh.
A.
Yeah?
T.
Good.
Cat.
So what is the first sound in the word cat?
It's K.
Good girl. What color is K in the word cat?
It's green.
Right. So, do you think you will be able to read me this sound pattern at the top?
Yes.
Okay, let's try. You can see all the letter C's are green like the K in cat, right? Which means we're giving it the K sound when it's green. So help me read just the one at the top. Let me point for you.
A.
Yes.
B.
Mm-hmm.
K.
But I can't hear you.
A.
Yes.
B. K.
Well done.
A. B. K.
Very good.
R. B. K.
Very good. A, B, K, right? So we recognize that the letter A can sound like A, it can also sound like A, and it can also sound like R, right? Okay, so let's look at this shape. What shape is this?
Circle.
So if this shape is a circle, what sound do you think the first letter is making in the word circle? Very nice. So can you see that the S sound in the word S, K, L, circle, the first sound is S, right? But the S is coming from the letter The letter? What's the name of the letter? A, B?
C.
Right. So can you see that the letter C is making the K sound in the word cat, but in the word circle, it's making the S sound in the first, as the first letter.
Yes.
But can you see that in the word circle, it's also making the K sound here. That's why it's the same color as this one. Right?
Yes.
So here it sounds like S, but here it sounds like K. So circle is a perfect word to remind you of the two sounds that the letter C can make. The letter C can sound like S for circle, but it can also sound like K for cat. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So when an I and an R are together, can you guess for me what sound do they make together? One sound that they make together. Remember, this is a circle. You've already got the S sound. You've already got the K sound. So what sound is in the middle here?
So.
The S is here. So what sound is this? What sound is the IR making? We are trying to build the word circle. We've already made the first sound, S. So what's the next sound after S in circle? That's. Don't doubt yourself. Say it louder. Not R, but Right? So let's start with those sounds again. We already know that this sound is S. So IR makes which sound? We are trying to build the word circle. Circle. So remember, all a word is a number of sounds that have been put together. So when you are reading a word, you are basically taking different sounds and putting them together to build a word, right? So the word we are trying to build is circle, right? Now listen, if you listen to your own voice when you say the sounds, it's going to help you build the word. It's going to give you a clue on what the word sounds like, right? So we are building the word circle. So if the first sound in circle is S, what should be the second sound?
Sir.
Not sir, but we've already made S. So lose the S and make the sound that you just made without the S. Because S is a separate sound. Remember, when a letter is making a sound by itself, look on the book. When the letter is making a sound by itself, it gets a dot by itself. But when two letters are making one sound together, they get a line together, which tells you that these two letters are making one sound. Right? Now, track with me. We are building the word circle. Now, if you listen, we've already made the S sound, which is the first sound in the word circle. So now I need you to guess for me, after S, what should be the next sound if we are building circle? Imagine this is a puzzle. This is your first block in the word circle. S. So what sound should these two letters be responsible for?
So.
It's okay. It's S and then it's again. But where am I pointing?
S.
And then? And then?
K.
Good. And then? The word is?
Circle.
Why didn't we hear a sound for this letter?
Because it has an X.
So what does an X tell us?
You can't hear the
We
sound.
can't hear it, okay? Let's try. So now you know all the sounds that build the word circle. Try it again.
S.
Yes.
K. Circle.
Okay. So S for circle is purple, right? Let's see if you can read us this sound pattern.
A. B. S.
Well done.
A. B. S. A. B. S.
Well done.